Hi guys! Today we'll be unboxing a package from the USA. This is a doll my son bought from an eBay seller in Kentucky. Luckily, the seller shipped this with insurance and had it shipped directly through USPS to DHL. He said, "Mom, this doll is not an ordinary doll for children. It is commonly used by adult collectors and designers alike." He acquired a 2007 Integrity toy, the Monarchs home fashion royalty, and his name is Dalpinder Chowdhury. The package came earlier than expected. As you can see, it is wrapped in USPS wrapper and came with no damages. The shipper's box is still intact and with just minor existing creases from the previous owner. Okay, let's open it. Okay. The box itself is made of hard paper box laminated with special covering, just like some luxury shoes boxes you can find. It was a magnetic side on this side to easily open and close the box. The box label is embossed here. You can see it. It's embossed with gold to make it more luxurious. It's time for us to open the box. Ta-da! The doll box contains a nude 12-inch male doll, extra pair of hands here, and the hair net. Look at that, for the protection of the hair. Okay, as you can see, the knees are protected with plastic and the ankles are tied just to protect the doll from moving during shipment. It looks like the doll has been kept in the box for a long time. It is still shiny, smooth, and pristine. Well, let's remove the box to the side so you can see the back portion. Okay, the doll has a stand. This one, it is a stand. Okay, and if you want to let it stand, you will just remove this ribbon here. And we have these extra hands, just in case you need this. You just get this from the side. And we have the Monarch certificate of authenticity. Okay, we'll just put it here. We have the base for the stand. See, it's so wrapped so differently. Look at this, guys, it's so different. I don't have a doll like this when I was young. And you just put it here, something like that. We will unleash the ribbon, guys, so you can see how it looks like when it's 10. Okay, it's almost done. Let it stand. You assemble the stand, and this one is a hanger. It looks like a hanger. Maybe like that. Guys, since this is a second-hand toy, the clothes are not included. My son is designing a suit for him. Look at the eyes, guys. Dalpinder is so handsome. He's already standing, guys. Look at that. Oh, wow. I don't have a doll like this before. That's why I'm so excited to see this. And look at the hands. You can place it like that. And you can remove the hairnet if you like. Okay, so that's all, guys. Thank you for watching.